Hello and welcome to this tutorial on AgEcon Search. This tutorial will cover how to access AgEcon Search, what kind of information is available, how to do a search, and how to submit your own research. To get started, visit the Parish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt for management. When you get to the Parish Library homepage, access the list of business databases. AgEcon Search is on this list. Please note that AgEcon Search is a freely accessible resource. AgEcon Search collects, indexes, and electronically distributes full-text copies of scholarly research, such as working papers, conference papers, and journal articles, in the broadly defined field of agriculture and applied economics, including subdisciplines such as agribusiness, food security and supply, energy and natural resource economics, policy issues, international trade, and more. This is the homepage for AgEcon Search. From here you can access search tips, browse collections, search by keyword, and set up an advanced search. You'll also find a list of frequently asked questions in the upper left corner under AES About. Let's take a look at the advanced search options. Here you can search by keywords or exact phrases and choose to search a specific field such as title or subject. You can also select a specific date or date range since the resource was added or modified. For a more precise search, try combining keywords. For example, let's search for irrigation in the title field and China. Search results will appear here below the search fields and include the total number of records found. Each result will show the title, author or authors, description, date, and resource type. You can click on the title of a result to access a full description and additional details such as keywords, subjects, and total pages. At the bottom of the page, you can download full text or choose from one of these export options. If you're interested in submitting your own research to this database, hover over AES About in the upper left corner and click to participate. This page will give you guidelines for submissions as well as submission instructions. Now you know how to access AgEcon Search, what kind of information is available, how to do a search, and how to submit your own research. If you have any questions, please contact us at parlib@purdue.edu. Thank you.